gonna get faster, so you gotta hold on to me, because I don't want to let you go. Because I'm heavier than you. Well, I'm heavier than you. Here it goes. You got it, buddy. You got it. That's called a current. There I go, see? It's like a fish. I'm a fish.
Well, how are we gonna? Oh, yeah.
There he goes. Good job.
Keep going.
Keep going, dude. Just let it go.
Keep going.
You're all right.
Keep going. You got it, buddy.
Nice. Look. You're
got
doing
it.
so good.
You got it. You got it. Hop on.
Wow. Look at you, dude. Master of the river currents. What do you think, Arch? Arch, get out of there. Archie. Quit.